class. I'm Dr. Tina Serafini, and I'm going to be your instructor for CIS110, Digital Skills for College and Career. In this course, we're going to learn a lot of useful information that you're going to utilize not only over the next 8 weeks when we're working together in each of the units, but also moving forward in your college career and beyond. We're going to start out with an introduction to internet and basic networking tools. We're going to look at ways of utilizing file management on our computers and talk a little bit about operating systems, as well as working with Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Each weekly unit has a discussion that we all must interact and talk to each other to continue that discussion. So that's asking questions, posting details from the reading, or commenting and giving examples on the details that other students are providing in that unit. We want to make sure to continue our discussion with each other. You're also going to have a few key assignments to submit and quizzes and or knowledge tracks to complete in various units. Each unit starts on Monday morning at 12:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and ends the following Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is the same in every unit, with the only exception of Unit 8, which ends on Saturday. Make sure you review and read all the great information provided under the course information link. This is on the left side toolbar in the classroom. It's in the section right above the list of units where you see Unit 1, 2, 3, and so on. Also, there's a section there that provides information on myself, my office hours, how you can contact me, and a lot of other great information. If you haven't done so already, make sure you also do the post-university orientation course, because that will really help you to understand how to navigate the Blackboard system and be able to find all of your assignments and be successful in the course. Again, welcome to the class. I'm super excited to get to know you all and looking forward to a great term with everyone. Welcome again to Term 1, and I'll see you in this discussion starting tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day, folks. Bye.